In today's video, I'm going to teach you the fundamentals of flipping, a lucrative skill that capitalizes on buying low and selling high. In the realm of marketplaces, there's a wealth of opportunities because people often sell items at a fraction of their value. They might need quick cash, be in the midst of moving, or simply not realize how much their belongings are truly worth. This is where you come in, ready to seize these opportunities. To start, it's essential to know which categories of items are in high demand and maintain their value over time. Electronics are incredibly popular. Think phones, laptops, headphones, and game consoles. These items not only sell quickly but also tend to hold their value well. Similarly, furniture pieces like tables, chairs, shelves, and couches are always in demand, as are appliances such as microwaves, blenders, and washing machines. Don't overlook sporting goods like bikes, weights, and golf clubs, which have dedicated buyer markets. Lastly, branded fashion items, such as those from Nike, Adidas, or designer bags, can be gold mines for flipping, as brand recognition often boosts resale value. Once you've identified what to sell, it's time to search and strike. Use marketplace filters to your advantage by setting them to newest listings, giving you the first look at fresh deals sometimes before anyone else has a chance. Keep an eye out for items with misspelled brand names. These often fly under the radar yet could be valuable. Posts that mention phrases like must sell today or moving out sale suggest that the seller might be open to negotiation, which is a prime opportunity for a deal. Speaking of negotiation, buying low is an art. When you're ready to make an offer, start by asking whether the seller can come down on the price. A simple query like, "Is this your best price?" can open the door to savings. Aim to offer about 20-30% less than the seller's asking price, knowing that they might meet you somewhere in the middle. Another great tactic is bundling. If a seller has several items you're interested in, propose a deal for buying multiple items, which often leads to further price reductions. After acquiring your item, you might find that it needs a bit of tender, loving care before you can sell it. Simple tasks like tightening screws or replacing batteries can significantly boost an item's appeal. Similarly, cleaning a piece of furniture or polishing a pair of shoes can transform them, making them more attractive to potential buyers. These minor efforts can dramatically enhance the resale price, turning small touches into significant profits. By following these steps, not only will you have mastered the basic principles of flipping, but you'll also have set yourself up for success in the marketplace. Happy flipping!